Hey everybody, this is Lori Delp with the Nashville Networking Business Luncheon. So we do these every single month all over Middle Tennessee as well as online every single week. So if you've been with us before or if you're just tuning in, we do have a new schedule. So if you don't have a copy of that, it's at NashvilleNetworkingBusinessLuncheon.com, as well as in the group on LinkedIn and Facebook. If you need that schedule, or if you have my cell phone, you can text me and I can send it to you. We do these every single week in person. Now, starting next Friday, we will be back at Jonathan's Grill in Hendersonville. So please join us 11:30 to 1 then. And then starting in July, we will be back on schedule in person as well as on Zoom every week also. So we always have a 10 to 15 minute speaker who talks to us about different tips, tricks, ideas, things that can help us both in our personal as well as our business life to help us to get us to that next level. After that, we go around the room. Everybody has 1 minute to give us your name, what you do for a living, and how we can better refer other people to you. And then after that, we exchange business cards. Of course, on Zoom is virtually. In person, I'm so excited. We get to do that in person again. And we will still practice the social distancing. So if you don't want people to hug you, you just put your arm out like that and shake their hand far out, or you even go like that. Yeah, or elbow bump, whatever you want to do. So I'm a huggy person. So as long as you're not sick, you want to hug me, I'm cool for that. So I'm so excited to be back in person. Anyway, so we are going to go ahead and get started. So please give your attention to our speaker today, Mr. Dakota Grady.
Thank you, Lori. Give me 1 moment. Let me share my screen with you all. All right. Can y'all see that? All right, I'm Dakota Grady, and I'm with Essential Business Solutions. Today, I'm going to talk about accounting 101, which is very important. Sales, marketing, and operations are important, but if you don't have your accounting system set up, or even have an accounting system, you may as well close your doors. Before we get started, let me tell you a little about myself. I am from Greenville, South Carolina. Been in Tennessee for about 7 years. My wife and I, Shamika, have been married for 12 years. I know I don't look that old, but if you want to see my ID after the event, that's fine too. So I grew up on welfare, which is government assistance. My mom and dad have 7 children. Yes, I said 7 children. So you may have heard of the Brady Bunch, but we're the Grady Bunch because my last name is Grady, so go figure. And we were struggling financially, but many years ago, I decided not to struggle. So here I am coaching and also doing accounting for businesses and help people with their personal finances. But today, focusing on accounting for your business. We have a 4-year-old daughter whose name is Naomi. You know, as a parent, the highs and lows and joys of being a parent. So we love her and thank you for her being a part of our lives. So those are 2 of my whys of why I do what I do. And also my third why is my background that pushes me to pursue my dream and my goals. So today, let's get started. Accounting is essential for every business. No matter what kind of business you're in, whether it's nonprofit or for-profit, accounting is a part of your business. So what are the essentials for your business for accounting? If you're a new business, you should have a business bank account. That's right. A business account and a personal account. In my experience of doing accounting, I've seen clients, they'll use their business funds for personal, which muddies the waters for your company. So I recommend having a business account as well as a personal account. It's fine to use your personal money to fund your business, but if you're using your debit card for personal expenses, but it's a business debit card, I don't recommend that. Because when your accountant or your bookkeeper does your books, he or she will question, is this a personal expense or business expense? So you should use your business account, business debit card for business expenses only. And again, it's fine to fund your business with your personal funds if you're getting started, which is good. That way you fund your business with what I call YM, your money, not OPM, other people's money. We'll talk about that too. So have 2 accounts set up, personal and business. I have those. My wife and I both have those accounts set up for our businesses. Again, you also want to have PayPal, Venmo, Square, whatever kind of convenient payment set up attached to your bank account. That way you can know those funds are for business as well. And having an accounting system is very important as well. You may be using Excel, which is good, but you might also be using QuickBooks Online or desktop. I prefer desktop, but QuickBooks Online is good too. Some people may be using Xero as another platform, or even Wave. Whatever you use, and make sure that you have someone doing your books for you, or if you're savvy enough to do your accounting as well. I recently trained someone on QuickBooks, a client of mine, and before she became a client, I trained her. And through that process, she realized that accounting is not her skill. So she hired me to do her accounting for her. So if you want someone to train you, get someone to train you on your books. If you want to save money, it's good. But you went in business to do your business, not to do accounting. Unless you are an accountant, you may be someone who's a creator of marketing. You may be a social media marketing guru or an SEO, search engine optimization guru. And accounting may not be your cup of tea. So I encourage you to outsource it. You can find people on, say, online. Fiverr can be an option for you, or someone who's local. You may know who will be able to do your accounting for you. Or CPA, certified public accountant, bookkeeper, or an accountant can do your books for you. And let you focus on making money and changing lives, which is why you went in business, not to do your own accounting. Make sure you're keeping up with your income and expenses as well. And again, if you're doing it yourself, get someone to train you on how to record your income and expenses so that you can have proper accounting records. So the basics, you should be able to understand your balance sheet and income statement for your business. If nothing else, understand what the numbers mean. All right, so what if you're doing your own accounting? You're putting things in accounts, but you don't know what those accounts are for. Well, get somebody to do it for you, who knows accounting, who knows what assets are, liabilities are, who knows what liabilities, well, the assets equals liabilities and owner's equity, which is basic accounting. Someone who explains those things to you, income and expenses as well. So the balance sheet is basically assets of, which may be cash, account receivable, or your equipment purchases as well. Liabilities, credit cards. You may have a building that you purchased, but you had a loan on that. Equipment purchases as well. And owner's equity. So that's basically saying that the owner is putting money into the business, in other words. So assets are financed by either equity, the owner, or liabilities, getting a loan. That's simple. And then your other statement is your income statement. Income minus expenses equals either net income or net loss. You either made more money than you spent, or you spent more money than you made. That's simple. So understanding those 2 forms or statements can help you in your business to know if you're making money or not, and also know how your business is financed. So get someone to tell you or help you understand those 2 statements for your business. And my last point right here is very, very important. Not to borrow money. That's right, I said it. Don't borrow money for your business. Why not? In my opinion, it puts strain on your business. For example, COVID-19 hits, and you had clients come in before that epidemic happened, and then when the epidemic occurred, clients start coming to your business. What if you got an SBA loan and you owe that loan, say, $100,000, for example? Well, if you don't have clients coming into your business to pay you for services and goods, how are you going to pay that loan back? Well, you're going to pay it back with your money out of your pocket, or not pay it at all. But what if you use cash? I said, yeah, use cash. Yes, use cash for your business, and pandemic happens, but you got money saved for rainy days. you will continue to prosper, hopefully, and grow. And what if your competitor is struggling? There will be an opportunity for you, yes, you, to go knock on his or her door and say, can I buy your business? And that's one less competitor you have to worry about competing against because you prepared for that. You had cash reserves opposed to having debt. So I have two businesses. One of them I finance with my money, my personal finance business, and my clients. My accounting business, I had my clients finance that for me by paying me for my services. I don't recommend borrowing money for a business because it strains your business. Your customer will be then your lender, not the people you were going to serve with your products and services. So again, I encourage you not to borrow money for your business. It helps you sleep better at night and for you to focus on, again, making money and changing people's lives, not making your lender money and making his or her bank account swell. I am Dakota Grady with Essential Business Solutions, offering business startup, monthly accounting, local and state tax resolution services, solutions, and also do QuickBooks training. So if you know someone who is like this right here, overwhelmed and stressed out about their accounting, I want to invite you to help them come talk to me about their accounting. I can get them set up and get them what they need so they can continue to move forward in their business. And I want to invite you to follow me on Facebook, LinkedIn, and also Instagram at Essential Biz Solutions on Facebook and Instagram. So if you need help with your accounting, I would like to invite you to come and join me so that I can help you, again, essential business to make money and change people's lives. Essential Business Solutions, every business matters. Thanks, Lori.
Awesome. Thank you so much. So if you're watching us online, I invite you to come back starting in July every Tuesday. As far as Zooms online, you must RSVP at Nashville Networking Business Luncheon.com or also on Facebook and LinkedIn. And then if you want to join us in person in the Middle Tennessee, Nashville area, this coming Friday, next Friday, Hendersonville, Jonathan's Grill. Then the following first Friday will be Jonathan's in Cool Springs. Second Friday is Carrabba's in Green Hills. Third Thursday is Jonathan's in Spring Hill. Third Friday is Jonathan's in Murfreesboro. And then back to the fourth Friday again will be Jonathan's in Hendersonville. So hope to see you both online and in person. Thanks for joining us, everyone.